Hello, it's the CEO of Violette Development, Dante here, and today I will be teaching you how to use Supbot. So first off, we'll go through the general setup of it. First things first, you want to create a profile. So all you do is hit profiles, then new profile, put in your information here, and then select it. So one thing I want to note really quick is all of your information is kept client side, which means that none of it is sent to any of our servers or anything. So in terms of security, all your information is safe here. So now you want to select your options. So I would strongly recommend sign into Google mode, as well as a checkout delay of about anywhere from 2 to 5 seconds. 3 is usually safe, 2 is a bit risky, 5 is extremely safe, although if it's a hyped up item, then you're probably not going to get it at 5 seconds. So 3 is usually a good bet. The rest of these options feel free to read through. We'll go over the Restock Monitor after. So after you've done that, you want to go ahead and select an item. So first, I will just show you how you, can test the bot to make sure everything's working properly for you and get used to it. So we'll just go and select any item here. We'll go with the checker briefs, size medium. There we go, and we will start the bot. So as we have sign into Google enabled, we have to log in now. There we go. After you're signed in, just let the bot work its magic. There we go. And then as you saw, that went red after 3 seconds. It's because it waited for 3 seconds, then tapped checkout. But obviously that's not a valid postal code, so that didn't work. But anyways, that's how it works. Now we'll go over how to use it on drop day. So we're gonna want to select one of the new items. Basically, 1 hour before the drop, we will update this list with all the items coming out, with the current week. So right now, I just have a little fake tutorial item in here, and this will essentially cause the bot to act the same way it does on drop day. So anyways, you probably want sign to Google enabled as well as the checkout delay. Make sure you have that on. Now you want to start the bot any time before the drop. If you have sign into Google enabled, then you definitely want to start at least 1 or 2 minutes before. Although the bot will begin to auto refresh the page 10 seconds before the drop, so you can start it an hour before if you like. It won't make a difference. So here we go. Google again. There we go. And so now essentially what the bot just did is it searched the store and it couldn't find the tutorial item on there. Obviously it never will because that's not a real item. But since it couldn't find the item on the store, it now said to itself, oh, okay, then that means that this is a new updated item and it won't be on the store until 11 o'clock on Thursday. So there's this little message here. Essentially all you have to do now is just wait until 11 a.m. EST on Thursday, and it will begin to auto refresh, like I said, 10 seconds before, and it will then purchase your item. A few disclaimers I want to tell you right now is try not to interrupt the bot at all costs. Sometimes the Supreme website can get finicky on drop day. Websites can start to not load, and essentially the bot will often cart the item before the website's even loaded. If you have multiple items, at this point, don't hit back and expect it to continue. That will completely disrupt it. What you want to do is simply wait. If you only have one item selected, at this point, you can hit checkout and the bot will continue. But long story short, just do your best to not disrupt the bot unless you're hitting the checkout button. If you hit any other buttons, you will end up glitching out the bot and it's not going to be a good time. But anyways, so now that we have that dealt with or covered, I'll just go over how the Restock Monitor works. So you want to either enable the all one or the selected. Only difference is this shows you all the restocks, while selected will only notify you when one of your selected items is restocked. So let's imagine that the Restock Monitor all is enabled and an item gets restocked. All you do is you slide the notification open that you get on your phone, and it will then automatically bring you to the Supreme Store page of that item. So we'll just go and get an item that I know is in stock. We'll go with this again. So essentially it will bring you to this page, and all you have to do is hit add to cart, hit checkout, it'll autofill your information, and hit process payment. So the reason why right now the Restock Monitor doesn't open up a botted version of it is we don't want to have a user accidentally open the notification and have that happen. We're trying to figure out the best possible solution for that, and it will be pushed out in the next update where a restocked item will automatically get purchased for you rather than you having to do that. Although for now, this is what you'll have to do. So that should just about cover everything for the bot. Please also remember to follow us at sup_bot on Instagram. DM us any feedback, any questions, any problems you have, and any W's you take during the drop. Good luck tomorrow, everyone, and I hope you enjoy using our app. Thank you.